If you don't live life to the max, maybe you should ask yourself why. Chances are, you just need a catalyst to add venture, trademarked, to your life. Oh look, time to ride. According to statistics I tell myself, which makes them true, everyone wants to add venture, trademark, to their lives. They just need help. Oh, let's go! Today, I'm gonna reignite the fire in your bellies so you can each find the catalyst to just add venture, trademark! Everyone, it's time to add venture. Follow me. Please welcome John Khaki. John, what are we doing up here on El Cap?
Well, I was free soloing El Capitan, and I wanted to take a picture to capture the climb because nobody had ever done it before me.
And then what happened?
I pulled out my brand new phone.
Oh, I know where this is going.
And it fell. And it hit a rock and the screen cracked, and now I have no proof that I was the first one to free solo El Cap.
You only cracked your screen. How high up were you?
About 10 feet.
About 10 feet? Now you're afraid of heights.
No, I'm afraid of dropping my brand new phone.
Well, it seems like you need a new catalyst to
just add venture, trademark!
Well, John, I'm gonna put your phone in a brand new case from Catalyst.
But just be very...
Here we go. We're gonna take a picture to capture this moment.
Ooh. All right, yeah, just give it back when you're done.
Oops.
I thought you really dropped it. Stinker.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, oops.
Oh.
Meet former ocean kayak enthusiast Liz Fuller.
Hi.
It says here that you once saw a pod of killer whales, but it was the ocean that ended up being the killer of your new phone.
I never got a picture of the whales because my phone got wet. And when I reached for my AirPods, they slipped out of my hand, and then a stupid seagull swooped down and swallowed them whole.
Tragic and weird. But today we're gonna find the catalyst to help Liz Fuller lead a fuller life again. Liz, hand me your phone and AirPods. They just need the ultimate protection that only a catalyst case can provide. Behold, we have protected Liz's phone and AirPods from the elements and released her from her fear. Now she can
Just add venture, trademark!
Next, we move on to Barry Little, a self-professed gym rat who works out at the world-famous Muscle Beach in Venice. Barry, what are we doing here?
I had a new Apple Watch, and I was getting in an extra pump, you know? And I put the weights down and... Oh! It cracked the face of my watch. Now I can't even look at it anymore.
Now you're scared of weights.
No, if I can't wear my watch, I can't track my pump. And if I can't track my pump, then it's like I never even worked out. I mean, I don't want to look like you.
Well, I'm gonna take your watch and I'm gonna put it into a waterproof impact protection case from Catalyst so you can just...
Add venture, trademark!
No, it's okay.
No!
He's fine. When Barry wakes up, he'll have the catalyst he needs to track his pump, whatever that means. The Waithmans are avid campers who practically live outside.
Well, we used to until A bear?
You were attacked by a bear.
No. A bear wandered into our camp looking for food, and our son...
The bear ate your son.
He's right there.
Our son wanted to film the bear eating our food with my new iPad and tripped. Dropped it, and it scratched the screen really bad.
Nice job, James.
We haven't been outside since.
Well, I'm gonna take your fear away by letting your family...
Just Adventure trademark!
Now, this is your family's brand new iPad, right? And I'm gonna put it into a waterproof impact protection case from Catalyst.
How did you get that? I had that locked up.
It's time to just adventure, trademarked.
Oh, I wouldn't do
Careful. Son.
that. He shouldn't be holding that.
Careful. Strong hands.
Come on, James. He's gonna drop it again.
No. Oh, watch the iPad.
Really, James? Again?
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Wow.
There's not even a scratch. He's a miracle man.
Well, it looks like this family will be back around the campfire in no time.
James, be nice.
Get the bear. That's right. Take a picture of him.
Okay, wait.
He's cute.
Now let's give it up for the Waithmans. And last but not least, you. If you're letting the fear of an accidental drop, drowning, or destruction of your phone, tablet, watch, or AirPods stop you from living life to the max, I will help you find the catalyst to overcome your fears and just adventure back to your life. And you all know what that means.
Just Adventure trademark!
No, random snorkeling dude. It means you get a case, and you get a case, and you get a case. Hands up. You get a case, and you get a case, and you get a case. Get a case. You have a watch. Case. Tablet here. Case. Cases for everyone. Case for you. Whew, another empowered group of strangers. Visit catalystcase.com to adventure to your life.